All right, let's look at separating stems in Fender Studio 8. I have a track, Suno track here. And we're going to use AI on AI. So to separate the stems, you want to right click the track, go to audio and look for the separate stems option, which would be Command U. We'll click that and it says we got vocals, drums, bass, and other. So we're going to okay that. And now it's going to do its thing. I'm going to fast forward it so we can see what happens next. Oh, it's not taking that long at all. All right. So now we have 4 stems, or yeah, basically 4 stems from this track. I can play that. So I can flip that to a loop right there. That's the drum stem. There's the bass stem right there. There's not really any vocals on this track that I can see. There's some over here. If I go out further, I'm trying to zoom into that there. Not a lot there. So it does work there. You got these tracks, you can chop and edit them however you see fit. And that is how separating stems work on Studio One. Pretty cool function. Suno has a sound. Like the ad-libs it does, you can hear it now. If you listen to enough Suno tracks, you can hear it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more tutorials from DAW-T2K YouTube channel. We're going to talk more about this. We're going to talk about converting audio to MIDI in the next video. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. See you on the next video.